Everyone, I am Rajendra Khole, Assistant Professor in KDK College of Engineering, Nagpur. Today our topic is stick diagram. So let's see how to draw the stick diagram. So the first step is we have the equation in the question. This equation should be represented in the form of whole bar, or this equation should be represented in the form of complement. Then you have to draw the static diagram, and using this static diagram we can draw the stick diagram. Okay, so let's see how to draw the stick diagram. Okay, so first step is equation is y equal to a plus b whole bar. This bar is very important. Second step, draw the static CMOS logic. For the static CMOS logic we need the logic, how to represent the multiplication and addition term. We know how to represent this using pull down network and the pull up network. So what do you mean by pull up network and pull down network? So pull down network means NMOS taking complement, and pull up network means PMOS using De Morgan's law. So let's see. So first part is y equal to a plus b bar, which is the required equation in the question, which is in complemented form. Then draw the static diagram. Static diagram consists of pull down network and the pull up network. So second part is draw or for pull down network. Pull down network means NMOS taking complement. So y equal to a plus b bar. Taking complement means y bar equal to a plus b double bar. This double bar get cancel, means y bar equal to a plus b. This is equation 1. Okay, so in this equation terms are adding, means a and b connected in parallel. Now for pull up network means PMOS using De Morgan's law. So y equal to a plus b whole bar. Using De Morgan's law we get y equal to a bar into b bar. This is equation number 2. Okay, so in this case terms are multiplying, means transistor A and transistor B connected in series. So let's draw the static diagram, because static diagram consists of pull down network and pull up network, or static diagram consists of PMOS and NMOS. So for NMOS, this is a pull down network means NMOS. For NMOS the terms are adding, means NMOS connected in parallel, and for PMOS terms are multiplying, means PMOS connected in series. So draw static diagram. Okay, so draw the static diagram or static CMOS logic diagram. In static CMOS logic diagram we know the upward part is PMOS and lower part is NMOS. From the static diagram, this upper part indicates that is PMOS, and this lower part it indicates that NMOS, and output how in between these two. So first draw the PMOS. Source of PMOS is connected to VDD, and in PMOS or pull up network means PMOS, in PMOS terms are multiplying. So transistor A and transistor B connected in series. So let's draw this series connection of transistor A and transistor B. This is the series connection. So this is the PMOS. PMOS means bubble at the gate terminal, and source of PMOS is connected to VDD. This is A and this is B. This is the output Y. Okay, Now about next draw the NMOS. Now in NMOS, source of NMOS is connected to VSS, and in NMOS, now from equation number 1, the terms are adding, means both the transistor A and B connected in parallel. So let's draw the parallel combination of transistor A and transistor B. This is the parallel combination, and source of NMOS is connected to VSS. This is A and this is transistor B. Okay. So upper part is PMOS and lower part is NMOS, and in output is in between these two. So A and B are the gate terminal of PMOS, and in PMOS the source is upper side and drain is lower side. This is again for PMOS, source is upper side and drain is lower side. Now in case of NMOS, A and B are the gate terminal of NMOS, and in NMOS drain is upper side and source is lower side. This is the drain and source. Okay, this is the static diagram of equation y equal to A plus B bar. Okay. So once we mark the source and drain, we can draw the stick diagram. So we need source and drain so that we can draw the stick diagram very effectively. So let's draw the stick diagram. Okay. So first draw the VDD and VSS. VDD is upper. We first draw the horizontal line and lower horizontal line. Upper horizontal line is called VDD and the lower horizontal line is called VSS. Again draw the two lines. These lines is called P diffusion or PMOS, and this is known as N diffusion or NMOS, because we have PMOS in upper side and NMOS in lower side. Next draw the two vertical line, because we have two terms A and B. So this is A and this is B. This A and B are the gate terminal of PMOS. Also A and B are the gate terminal of NMOS. This is the upper side is PMOS or P diffusion. So we can write source here or drain here, either drain here or source here. So again this is for source and drain or source here. In case of NMOS, we can again write the source here or drain here or source here. Again drain and source here. Okay. Now let us draw the stick diagram using static diagram. Use the static diagram, we can use the stick diagram. So from the static diagram, the source of A and drain of B, or a drain of A and source of B is common. So I write drain here, drain of A here, and source of B here, which is the common connection we can see on the same line. So this is the source of A. Now source of A is connected to VDD. This is VDD line. So cross means connection is represented by the cross, so that we can see the connection between VDD and source. So this is the drain terminal of B. Now from this PMOS, drain of B is connected to output and connection is represented by the cross, and this drain is connected to the output Y. This is about the PMOS. Now when you talk about the NMOS, now drain of A and drain of B is common, right, and which is connected to the output. So I write drain of A here and drain of B here, and connect both the drain to the output, and connection is represented by the cross. Okay. Now source of A, this is the source of A. Source of A is connected to VSS and connection is represented by the cross, and also source of B is connected to VSS, means connection is represented by the cross. This is the stick diagram of equation y equal to A plus B bar. Okay. Now about the color code. The P diffusion. This P diffusion is indicated by, or it should be a yellow color. When you talk about the P diffusion, it should be a yellow color. And or this is P diffusion or PMOS, it should be a yellow color. And when you talk about the NMOS or N diffusion, it should be a green color. This N diffusion is indicated by green color. Then supply voltage VDD and VSS. VDD and VSS is a metal 1 and metal 2. Metal 1 and metal 2 are indicated by the blue color, that is VDD, and VSS, it should be a blue color. And the polysilicon gate, this A and B are the polysilicon gate, it represented by the red color. And all the contacts, this contact is represented by the black color. Okay, this is the procedure to draw the stick diagram. Thank you.